Hello everyone, and today we will be looking at chapter 2, add and subtract all numbers. And our lesson is 4, lesson 4, estimate sums and differences. Okay, so let's take a look at this example. The first one, example 1. The Central School District needs 5,481 forks and 2,326 spoons for a school function. About how many forks and spoons will they need altogether? So what we are looking at here is estimate. How do we estimate these two numbers? Okay, the instruction is round to the hundredths place. Round each number to the nearest hundred, then add. So what do we need to do? We have 5,481. To round to the hundredths place, you need to identify which of this number or digit is in the hundredths place, and that is 4. Then you go to the right. What is the next number? That is the next to 4. It is 8. Remember that if the number next is 5 or 6, 7, 8, or 9, then you have to round up by adding 1. So this becomes 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. Other numbers turns to zeros. So what you put here is 5,500. The same thing, we have 2,326. The number in the hundredths place is 3. Check the next door. What is the number you have next is 2. Remember that if the number is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, that is, if it is less than 5, you round down. And what does that mean? Do nothing to the number you have cycled. So it remains 2, 3, other numbers turns to 0. So your answer is 2,300. So now we can add. If you add this, you have 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 3, 8, and 5 plus 2, 7. So it's about 7,800. Okay, now try number 2 by yourself. Pause the video, and afterwards you can on it. Now I'm going to take you through example 2 now. So example 2, we want to estimate 7,542 minus 3,225 with the instruction round to the hundredths place. So if you want to round to the hundredths place, the number is 7,542. I identify the number in the hundredths place. Check the number at the next door is 4. So you have to round down by doing nothing. So this remains 5, 0, 0. So I have 7,500. And the next number is 3,225. The same thing, check the hundredths place digits, check the number next door, it is 2, less than 5, so I round down by doing nothing to this 2. So it is 3,200. Next, subtract. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 2, 3, and 7 minus 3, 4. So it's about 4,300. This is introduction to estimation. In the next examples, we're going to see Alright, example 3. Let's see what we have. The table shows populations of 2 cities in Kentucky. About how many more people live in Covington than in Ashland? So this is our table. We have the population for Ashland and we have the population for Covington. So follow the instruction. It says round each population to the nearest thousand, then subtract. So thousand. First, identify the number in the thousands place, and that is 2, correct. So I cycle 2. Check the next door. The next number to it is 8. Remember, it's more than 5, so you have to add 1 to this 2. So we have 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. All other numbers after that turns to zeros. Next, 21,510. The number in the thousands place is 1. I check the next door. It is 5. Of course, we had 1. So this is 2. 1 plus 1, 2. All other numbers turns 0. So subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. We have 3 minus 2, 1. And 4 minus 2 is 2. Therefore, there are about 21,000 more people. Quickly, let's look at the guided practice. I want you to pause the video and give it a try. And after that, you can play it back to see if you are correct. So quickly, let's check our answers. For number 1, let's see, it's the hundredths place. Take note of that. So I check the number in the hundredths place here is 4. The next door is 5. You have to add 1 to this 4. So this is 1. 4 plus 1, 5. The remaining 2 numbers turn 0. The next number is 335. The hundredths place number is 5. Check the next door, 3. 3 falls in the category of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see it's less than 5. So do nothing to this 3. So it remains 3. The remaining 2 numbers turn 0. Then add 1,500 plus 300 will give you 0, 0, 5 plus 3, 8, and 1, 1,800. Number 2. We have the hundredths place, so identify the hundredths place number, which is 8. Check the next door to the right, 7. 7 is more than 5, so round up by adding 1. That leaves you with 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. The remaining 2 numbers turn 0. I look at the next number, 412. Check the hundredths place. It is 4. The next number to it, 2. 2 is less than 5. So do nothing to the 4. It remains 4. The remaining 2 numbers turn 0. 2,900 plus 400 will leave you with 0, 0, 9 plus 4, 13, write 3, remainder 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Final answer, 3,300. Next, I'm gonna do number 3 for you. So in the number 3 example, we have 2,746 minus 1,529, and we are to round to the 10th place. So check the 10th place digits. Remember, that is the second number from the last. So we have this 4 and this 2. That is the 10th digit, 4. So I'm gonna have 2, 7. So what happens to this 4? Check the next number, 6. 6 is more than 5, so therefore you add 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 0. The next one, we have 1, 5. The tenth place value is 2. I check the next number to its 9. 9 is more than 5, therefore you round up by adding 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, and the last number becomes 0. So do your subtraction. 2,750 minus 1,530. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Check the next column. 5 minus 3 gives you 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So your answer, 1,220. Alright, this is where I'm going to stop today, and I'm going to see you in the next lesson. Take care and bye-bye.